Hello class, my name is Andrew Finney. I'll be talking about the flipped classroom. What is the flipped classroom? A flipped classroom is a combination of using online learning and active learning, where instead of students getting instructions while in class, they watch instruction videos at home. Students are able to see these lectures at home at their own pace so they can spend more time in class doing projects and their what was be considered traditional homework. Studies show that the flipped classroom improves student performance and motivation in school. Justin Reich says that because of the flipped classroom, teachers are now finding ways to spend their time wisely with their students. Student success with the flipped classroom. For students to be successful, they need to have self-discipline because they have to watch these instructional videos at home on their own time. Students are then able to get one-on-one help with their instructor while doing their homework. Students can also collaborate with their peers in class to help each other learn the content better. Students are able to rewatch these lectures multiple times so that they can really study the subject. My thoughts on the flipped classroom. I think the flipped classroom is a style of teaching that I think would be something I would want to do as an instructor. Being able to blend technology and the traditional classroom together would allow me to spend classroom time on collaborative projects with my students, and they can just watch the lectures videos at home. I think the flipped classroom model will allow me to use technology such as Khan Academy to supplement my lectures. They can view these free videos on Khan Academy to better grasp some subjects. I think that the flipped classroom style of teaching is going to be something that um, will be continuing in the future, especially now during the current COVID situation. Students are having to learn things online. So when they return to a traditional school, if you're able to combine both online and in person together, I think would allow students to be more successful. I could see myself using this type of instruction to delve deeper with group discussions and have bigger in-class projects that would have been impossible to do before. Thank you for watching my video.